Hey guys, what is up and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video I will be explaining what getting capped in Monopoly Go means and how you can possibly revert that from happening. Let's get started. So getting capped in Monopoly Go is this thing that means that you cannot get any more free dice from inviting your friends. When you invite your friends via Facebook, you get 100 free dice for each friend that joins the game from your link. This is capped at 10,500 dice, so that means after 105 friends join via your link, you will stop getting dice and you won't be able to get any more free dice from that friend or from Facebook, from your personal invites. Now, one way that there is to fix this is by disconnecting your Monopoly Go account. I have heard people on Reddit do this. However, supposedly it doesn't work all the time. Some people actually got their accounts uncapped by disconnecting their account from their Monopoly Go account from Facebook, uninstalling Monopoly Go, then revoking access from Monopoly Go on Facebook, then afterwards reinstalling Monopoly Go, and then adding access to their Facebook account again. I have heard people say that this works and that after that they weren't capped anymore and then they could use it more. They can invite more friends and get more dice from it. However, this is a very risky method, guys. I wouldn't personally recommend it since you can lose access to your account on Monopoly Go. One person had a problem with this and had to go through many hoops to actually regain access to his account. So in my opinion, guys, you shouldn't try to uncap your account. Many solutions are actually fake and you risk losing your account by doing them. So just enjoy the game. Don't uncap your account. Just earn dice in other ways. And that's pretty much it. I hope this was helpful to you guys, and I'll see you in another video.